Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. I am Nafisa and this is another video. It's night and I'm having dinner. And since I'm very famous for bad choices, this is the choice I make, but I'm not unhappy with my choice. But एक चीज़ बुरी लग रही है because I have been religiously working out, and to add to that, I add noodles. I love noodles. I love Chinese. I have spoken about it before. And Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Mm, 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 mm. Yum. I suffer with a condition that allows people to give me a lot of advice on what to eat and what not to eat. And they say that I should not be eating gluten. It's a component which is mostly found in maida, all-purpose flour, which helps in holding it together, holding the maida, become a dough. It's also there in wheat, but उतना नहीं है जितना मैदा में है. So people tell me not to eat it because it's not good for my body and a lot of things. But then I digged into it and I found out that gluten should not be eaten only by the people who are intolerant to it. Just like lactose intolerance is a real thing, gluten intolerance is a real thing. So only the people who are getting sick or having stomach problems after eating gluten, maida, they should be avoiding it. To me, I have no problem with it. I have also been told not to eat dairy because I'm getting all these pimples and acne and it's not good for skin, but nah, that's not the case, bro. I'm not intolerant to lactose. So wow, I spoke like a doctor. And for a weird combination, I have some chana masala on my plate because घर पे बना था. And I know it's not going, but this is gonna take me a very long time. I eat very slow. I think I'll finish this and then talk. और एक और मजे की बात हुई आज. I think I ate an ant. Like, not ate it, I chewed it. I think. And I did the stupidest thing to say it on camera. Khali. Not really. Wow, what am I doing? Okay, so I'm gonna eat this and then I'll talk to you. Also, let's take a moment to really appreciate my lip color. It's a very pretty shade. I love this color. So this is the Maybelline. Yeah, this is the Maybelline in the shade 680. This is mesmerizing magenta. Is it not mesmerizing? Yeah, it is. Wow. I'm gonna finish this and then talk. Maybe I'm just lightheaded and I'm talking rubbish because I'm hungry. I'll take care of that and then I'll take care of this. Okay, so dinner has been had, and since my hormones are all over the place, I am under medication. I am recently following the homeopathy method of medication, and I am required to dilute 10 drops of this customized medicine and drink it. So I'm gonna go do that. एंड इट्स नेवर 10 ड्रॉप्स फॉर मी. मेरे से एक बार भी ऐसा नहीं हुआ कि सिर्फ 10 ड्रॉप्स हुआ. इट्स ऑलवेज ईदर 9 और 11, मोस्टली 11. So this doesn't taste like anything bad, but I guess it is helping a little bit with my acne. Also, this is mom's. These are very comfortable, and people are gonna make fun of me because so the people who come to my house and who see me looking homeless and absolutely rugged are gonna be like, वीडियो में भी ऐसी, अरे कभी तो मेरे लिए नहीं करती, कभी ऐसे तो वीडियो में बना ले. Very dramatic they are, okay? You guys have to accept me the way I am. I am like this. I am either way too energetic or absolutely minus energy. Lethargic. Nothing. I want to do nothing or everything. There's no in between. So medicine has been had. कितना time हुआ? हाँ. I'm also taking this. This is Safi. This is a blood purifier. Because अभी तो फिर भी कम है. मेरे फेस पे मतलब हालत ऐसी थी ना कि मतलब मुंह पे पिंपल नहीं थे. पिंपल के बीच में थोड़ा बहुत मुंह बचा था मेरा. इतना, that's how bad it was. And I think we are progressing a little bit. So we are taking this. It's been 3 days. And we are also regular on our medicine. This doctor is a jackpot. If you guys are, if anybody from Kolkata is watching me and if you have any problem, go to this doctor. I'll tell you the name if you ask me, because I don't know if there's anybody watching this video from Kolkata. You know what I'm saying? And I have 2 half water bottles just in case I'm stupid. That's about it. Also, my mom's best friend, she advised me to put rose water on my face, which I'm not putting because this has fragrance and fragrance is not good for your skin, so I'm not doing that. But you can put this on your hands maybe. It acts like a toner. Wow, I stammered. But yeah, this acts like a toner, right? Oh god, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here. What am I doing with my life? Why is my life not going anywhere? I am hoping, praying, believing, waking up every day कि नहीं कल कुछ नया होगा. कल maybe I'll get some better news. Maybe अब जाके कुछ होगा या, but nothing is falling into place. And I'm just waking up and going back to sleep with sabr. And I guess that's all that is holding me together, and that I'm able to speak extra, like speaking to people, family, that's fine, but I'm also speaking and trying to connect to a digital family. So like this video for that. Because if you meet me and if I start telling you everything that is on my mind and on my life, you're gonna cry. Okay, so pray for me. All the people watching this, just pray for me, and पता नहीं किसकी दुआ लग जाए and my life falls back into shape. And then we're gonna have fun, and then you're gonna see some nice videos of me going to places, getting things done, meeting people. But before that, हाँ, तो आज ऐसा हुआ ना कि I went and told मम्मी कि मम्मा नहीं बनेगा मेरे से वीडियो. I don't know what to say, I don't know what to talk. But then she said, don't be disheartened. She got hyped and she told me कि बेटा disheartened नहीं हो, जाओ करो. It's better to do something than nothing. So I did sit and press the record button, and I did record something. And I hope me being just me drives some people in my life, right? Okay, I'll pray for everyone out there. You do the same for me, okay? And get good sleep, right? Good night. Allah Hafiz.